So I asked you guys if you like to see cleaning videos, and you guys said that you do. So right now I'm in the process of spring cleaning. I'm redoing my closet slash beauty room slash office area. So I'm redoing my whole closet room. That desk is gonna go. All that is gonna go. So I want to thank Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I'll tell you guys all about Poshmark in a minute. But I have so many clothes that I need to haul. I have clothes on the back of the door, have clothes on the floor, and I want to hang them up and have them where they're supposed to be. But right now I have this closet wardrobe thingy that's occupying all these clothes that I either can't fit, I've worn once, I'm not going to wear again, and all that kind of stuff. I need the stuff in the rack to make its way to the closet, so I got to get the stuff out the closet out. I just cleaned out my big closet and got rid of a whole bunch of stuff that I wasn't wearing. I have a habit of holding things saying that I'm going to wear it, I'm going to wear it, I'm going to wear it. Or I'll hold something say that I'm going to save for a special occasion, and then I never wear it. I wind up buying something else. So I have so many clothes. Yeah, I'm just like purging it all. I've already given some to the church. I've donated some to shelters. And what I wanted to sell, I'm going to sell on Poshmark. I've had Poshmark for a while now. I've also purchased things on Poshmark. You can check out my link, which will take you over to Poshmark, and you can download the app. But I want to show you guys what I'm selling. First, I'm going to start with these 3 pair of shoes I bought from Ego Official. All 3 brand new, didn't wear. I got them in a size 5, all 3, but they're slightly big. I wear like a 6.5, 7. These fit more like a 7.5. So if that's your size, then you might want to get these shoes. So let me show you what they are. Brand new, never worn. These are like the little clear plastic boots with a peep toe. Brand new. I also got these little Yeezy inspired shoes. Never worn. Like I said, they don't fit. They're a little bit too big. And I really wanted these, but can't fit them. So these are another pair of Yeezy inspired boots. These are like the thigh high boots. Are they thigh high? Yeah, thigh high. They have an open toe and like a chunky heel in the back. Brand new, never worn. So yeah, my misfortune is your guys' gain. I'm just trying to get rid of this stuff. I'm not really trying to hold on to it. So, you know, I'm gonna let it go at a good price. In here I have so much stuff. I think a lot of the stuff I got is Fashion Nova. I do have like one little luxury piece that I'm going to put on there. It's a Louis Vuitton. But you know, you can find like Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Nike, whatever you're into. You can find it on Poshmark. I've always been a buyer on Poshmark, never really a seller. So I can't wait to get rid of some of these things that I've just been holding in my closet. So where we're going to start at? I got this jacket that I purchased. Look, so cute. But it says a medium, but it fits more like a small. So I can't fit the arms. I was blessed with my mom, big fat arms. So I can't fit the arms. But I love this jacket. Wish I can wear it. It was regular price like $89.99. I got it for $50. I'm going to sell it for like $20. So yeah, this is really, really cute. I have a lot of birthday dresses in here. This was one of my birthday dresses. I wore it one time. Not going to wear it again, I don't think. This one might be worth wearing again though. Like, this one not that bad. I definitely could wear this again. I could have wore this one to the wedding I just went to. But yeah, I think I'm going to let it go. This is a birthday dress. Really, really cute. The sides are, you know, a little see-through, little sheer action going on all the way down the sides and the sleeves. Really cute. It has a zipper. This is a medium, and it fits like a medium. So you're small or medium, you can fit this. I have this 2-piece outfit that I bought from Fashion Nova. Couldn't fit it when I got it. I don't know what I was thinking. I got the top and the size small and the bottom and the extra small. Don't know what I was thinking. Can't fit it. So this is definitely going. The pants are like wide leg palazzo pants. The top is just like a little crisscross action back out type deal. Really cute. Definitely going to be cute for spring and summer. Just not for me. Here's another outfit I bought for my birthday one year and couldn't fit it. This is like another high-waisted cute little pant set with the matching top. Brand new, never worn. The set together was like $38. When I order online, I don't like to do returns, so that's why I keep the stuff that I have. Another outfit I purchased. jumpsuit. Look at that, really cute jumpsuit. This is a size small, $40, and I can't fit it. I'm sad because this is so sexy. Like, this will just be popping with my hair, but I can't fit it. Here's another outfit I purchased from Fashion Nova. A lot of these outfits you guys probably didn't even get to see because once I purchased them and they were too small, I just put them in the closet. So I got these pants. These are just high-waisted. They just don't look right on me. It gives me like a pudge. So yeah, this is a medium and it was sold as a set. No, it was not. Girl, it better be. Because this say $39.99 and this say $39.99. I know I ain't paid $39.99 for both. So this must have been sold as a set, just priced the same. Definitely a set. So, little high-waisted pants and this mesh top, if you guys can see it. Yep, didn't fit me. Didn't fit me right. I have this two-piece set that I got from BB, never wore. Still has the tag on it. This is so cute. I think I want to keep it, but I've had it for like 2 years maybe, and I still haven't worn it, so I'm not gonna wear it. So gotta let it go. Here are some more pants I purchased from Fashion Nova. Now, if I say I purchased it, I actually purchased it. Some of these things were sent to me, and I'm going to get rid of them as well. But if I say I purchased it, I purchased it. I purchased these pants, and I got them in a size small, and I can't fit them. These fit more like a extra small. So, and then the thing about these, you can unsnap. Well, when they came, all of them came unsnapped. So I thought I'd be able to get in it, and when I snapped it up, no ma'am. Just trying to get rid of this stuff. I've learned something about myself, that I'm kind of like a hoarder. So I want to get rid of this stuff, clean out my closet so that I can buy some more stuff. Here's a dress I purchased from Fashion Nova. You guys know that I shop Fashion Nova crazy. So here's a dress. This would be cute for spring. It is a size small. It says $35, $34.99. But the reason I'm getting rid of it is because the sleeves, although they stretch, they still feel tight on my arms. I was actually going to take it to the cleaners and have them remove the sleeve and make it like a sleeveless dress, but I don't want to go through all that. I just rather get rid of the dress. It's really, really cute. It's like a wrap dress. Really cute. Make me want to keep it, but I done had it for too long and haven't done anything with it yet, so it gotta go. I have this shirt that I purchased, and I was in a rush. I didn't feel like trying it on. Bought it in a size small and can't fit it. The arms are too tight. I can't even button it up. But this is really, really cute. Brand new, never worn. And then it has like a little flower coming across the back. I have another little two-piece set. I wore this for my birthday one year. It's just like a crop top with the matching skirt. It's like a velvety, suede, velour kind of material. Really, really cute. I have this dress that I got from Fashion Nova, but it is way too tight for me. And it comes with the matching choker. Really, really sexy. As you guys can see, the sides are open. And this is a size small. It does have a zipper in the back, and it's like a bandage material, but it's very, very fitted. So yeah, you gotta be a size small for real to get in this. Like this skirt, $25, size medium. I'm not into skirts. I have these pants I purchased from Fashion Nova, and they just are like a paper bag style pant, but they're too big. And this is in a size small, and they're still like just big. So these fit like a medium or small with a big booty, which I don't have. So yeah, I couldn't fit these. They just didn't look right on me. But if this style pant look good on you, you will love these. And you know, if you want to make an offer on some things, we can do that too. Here's another pair of pants. You guys saw these pants in one of my hauls, and they don't fit me good. They just don't fit me good. These brand new, never worn. They don't have the tags on it. It probably was just on in the plastic bag. It had the tag on it, but I've never worn these. Just tried them on, and this, like I said, this style of bag, this style of pant don't fit me good. It probably fit people with booties good, but just me no. So I done picked up 2 pair of pants that style. Now I know that's not my forte. That don't fit me, so I'm gonna stop buying them. A lot of people asked about this outfit that I wore in Jamaica. I wore it one time and I haven't worn it since. And yeah, I'm not gonna wear it again. So I'm gonna put this on the app. Really, really cheap. It's just like another halter top with the crisscross back like the one I showed you earlier, but this one is a skirt and it has like splits in the front. So like Really, really cute. The splits come up high, but they don't show more than what you want to show, if that makes sense. This is really, really cute, and it was perfect for Jamaica. Maybe I'll put that picture of me in the outfit on the Poshmark app so you can see how it looks on me. And I have a whole bunch more other stuff. I'm gonna list more stuff as the things sell because I don't want to have like everything on there at one time. So as stuff sell, I'll just keep adding stuff. So yeah, that's everything I want to show you guys right now that I'm going to be posting on the app. Like I said, I'm just trying to make room for my new stuff because I'm going to redo my whole closet. I'm going to paint this or do something with this. I'm tired of this brown color. I'm going to redo this. Just make my room a little bit more glam. Can't wait. So y'all see anything you want? I know y'all see some stuff y'all want. But leave your Poshmark store below so we can check out your stuff. And y'all go check out my stuff. If you don't already have Poshmark, you can download the app free from the link in my description box. And then come back and tell us what your Poshmark closet is and we can check out your stuff too. And when I mentioned that I was going locally to sell some of my clothes, a lot of you guys told me that I should sell my stuff on Poshmark. Like I said, I purchased on Poshmark. I've always been a buyer, not a seller. So we're going to go through these things and see what we can sell. And then depending on how well we do, I got a whole lot more stuff to add. You can click on the first link in my description box and go straight and download the app for free. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later.
Get back to the grind for